we have this, one of my favorite pocket watches. It's a quarter repeater pocket watch. It's a Swiss made. Love the fact that you can see the movement in there. Little pusher there. So to set the time on this quarter repeater pocket watch, you unscrew and you have this little lever right there. So you just kind of push it. You're just kind of pull it up this way, and now you're free to move the hands. So it's right there. And then you push it back when you're all set. And then you just screw on the bezel back on. Beautiful movement. It has been serviced and completely gone through. It does come with a 1-year warranty. I really like these pocket watches. It's a really good looking one too. The porcelain dial, I would say, is in great condition. Has a little hairline between right by the 8. Otherwise, I would say it's in. Well, there's one right by the 3 too. But overall, it's in great condition. Please take a look at our other listings on eBay.